Hare Krishna, dear everyone.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
Danvat pranams to everyone.
माता जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
Okay. So, can you see my screen, everyone?
यस माता जी। यस माता जी। यस माता जी। यस माता जी।
Okay, perfect. So happy to see all of you. Nitai, I remember you. Molly is there. And everyone else. Can you please put your videos on? Okay, so I hope you all are doing well. Today, our topic is Pad Sevanam. So, we have been discussing the 9 devotional services to Krishna, and Pad Sevanam is one of those. So, can you guess the meaning of Pad Sevanam? Let's see who can guess.
To serve the feet, lotus feet of Krishna.
Yes, very nice. So, to serve the lotus feet of Krishna. Okay, let's begin. So, this is the schedule of the day. We will begin with our chanting. So, we will recite the pranam mantra of Prabhupada. Okay.
माता जी, can I say?
Okay. Hitashi raised her hand. So, Hitashi, please go ahead.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी, दंडवत प्रणाम। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांता स्वामी इति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य दैशतारिणे।
Okay. Vedant Krishna. Would you like to read the translation?
यस माता जी।
Please.
नमः ओम विष्णु
Translation.
पादाय
Translation.
कृष्णा।
You need to read the
I
translation.
offer my respectful obeisance unto His divine grace. C
AC.
AC Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada, who is very dear to Lord Krishna, having taken shelter at his lotus feet.
Continue.
Our respectful obeisances are unto you, O spiritual master, servant of Saraswati Goswami. You are kindly preaching the message of Lord Chaitanya and delivering the Western countries, which are filled with impersonalism and voodism.
Okay, thank you so much, Vedant Krishna. Now, please recite Panchtattva mantra. Everyone, please recite it. And I'm keeping everyone on mute because now we will chant. So, please, I hope you all are ready with your chanting beats. Vrindarani, are you ready? Please go and get your chanting beats. We will chant now. And yes, we will chant and we will try to hear our own voice while we are chanting. So that's why I've kept everyone on mute. So, yes, please recite Panchtattva mantra in a prayerful mood. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा. Now we will chant. And before we start our chanting, if you remember the points which I always share while we chant, try to chant like you are singing to Krishna. You're speaking to Krishna. Chant in that way and try to hear the very first Hare Krishna from whole Mahamantra. So we'll try to chant like that. So, okay, start. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So you can see Krishna on your screen. So try to chant in a way you are singing to Krishna very attentively. He hears you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Try to hear very first Hare Krishna, not the whole Mahamantra, just very first Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Dear kids, now we will also try to hear Hare Rama from the second line, from the second para. So Hare Krishna and Hare Rama. Give it your all. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Reminder to hear the Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. So I hope, kids, you have completed your one round of chanting. Please make a note that throughout this week, you try to follow the same process, that when you are chanting, you become conscious that you are singing or speaking to Krishna, and try to hear the very first Hare Krishna and Hare Rama from whole Mahamantra. So, this way, when you try to hear Mahamantra, you will feel a different taste in your chanting, and your chanting will become tasteful. So, please try this throughout this week. Okay, now we will move ahead and let's see what we all be covering in today's session. So, first of all, we will understand the meaning of Pad Sevanam and recognize it as one of the 9 processes of devotional services. Then we will identify who practiced Pad Sevanam and how Pad Sevanam can be practiced based on Lord Brahma's prayer from Srimad Bhagavatam. And you will learn many things throughout the session, and we will have many activities this time. So I will appreciate your enthusiasm and your activeness in the session. So now comes our shloka time. So whoever feels confident to sing with me, they can raise your hand. Okay, I see Aishani. Okay, we'll give chance to Aishani first. So you need to sing the verse with me. We will see. Okay, before moving ahead, let me just allow everyone to mute. Aishani, can you read this line?
The Lord's lotus feet are the boat across the material ocean.
So do you understand the meaning of this line? Everyone? Any of you who understood the line, meaning of the line can...
Yeah, I understood.
Okay, tell.
Mataji, Hare Krishna, Mataji, can I?
Yes, yes.
Mataji, it means that by serving the Lord's lotus feet, we can get out of this material world.
Okay. Basically, Lord's lotus feet are the boat. And by taking the shelter of that boat of Lord's lotus feet, we can cross this material ocean. Okay. Perfect. Now time for singing. So yes, Aishani, please sing after me. Samashritāye pad pallava plavam.
Samashritāye pada palava plavam.
Mahat padam punya yasho murarer.
Mahat padam punya yasho muraye.
Bhavam buddhir vatsa padam param padam.
Bhavam buddhir vatsa padam param padam.
Padam padam yad vipadam natesham.
Padam padam yad vipadam na Vipadam na tesham.
Okay, very nice. Also, when Eshani is singing after me, then everyone has to sing. I am watching everyone. So, okay, who will sing next? Manya, would you like to sing?
Yes,
And
Mataji.
can you turn your video on if possible?
Yes.
Okay, please sing. We will sing in the same tune. Samashhritaye pad pallava plavam
Samashitaye Padapadavatam
mahat padam punya yasho murare
Mahatmadam Punya Yashodhurani
bhavam budhirvats padam param padam
Bhavamudirvatsapadam Param Padam
padam padam yad vipadam natesham.
Padam Padam Yad Vipadam Natisha.
Okay, now everyone, you keep yourself on mute and we will sing together. So sing with me, okay? Keeping yourself on mute. Sing. समाश्रिताये पदपल्लवप्लवं महत्पदं पुण्ययशो मुरारेर्भवाम्बुधिर्वत्सपदं परं पदं 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 यद्विपदां न तेषाम्. Okay, Divyanshi, would you like to read the translation?
Yes, Mataji. For those who take the shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna, the great ocean of material existence becomes as small as water contained in a calf's hoofprint.
Yes. So, dear kids, let's understand from the verse itself. Samashritaye padpallavaplavam. Samashrita means Sama plus Ashrita. Ashrita means shelter. So, those who have completely taken shelter. Ye means who? Who has taken the completely shelter of Pada Pallava Plavam? The shelter of the tender lotus feet, the boat of the tender lotus feet of Murarer, Krishna. Mahat Padam Punya Yasho. So, that person, the shelter of the great souls, also the abode of the Supreme Lord. So, this verse is very much important and the very essence of Pad Sevanam, that any person who takes the shelter of the lotus feet, the boat of the lotus feet of the Lord, it becomes very easy for that person to cross this material ocean. So imagine, try to hear it very attentively. Imagine you have to cross a huge ocean. Alone, it seems impossible. But Krishna says, oh, come, sit in the boat of my lotus feet. And as soon as we take shelter of Krishna, that giant ocean becomes as tiny as a little puddle left by a calf's footprint. So just write Divyanshi, she read the translation, that material existence becomes as small as water contained in a calf's hoofprint. So imagine there is a tiny calf walking in mud. Its small hoof makes a little puddle of water. Now compare that tiny puddle with the huge ocean. So the real big ocean looks impossible to cross, right? So in the same way, our material life sometimes feels very difficult. There are problems, fear, anger, sadness, confusion. So all these together are compared to a big dangerous ocean, and that is the material ocean. But the verse says, if someone takes shelter of Krishna's lotus feet with devotion, then that huge ocean becomes as small as a tiny puddle in calf's footprint. So, dear kids, Krishna helps his devotees so much that even very difficult problems become small and easy. So here we can conclude that Pada Sevanam means staying close to Krishna, taking shelter of him, trusting him, and serving him with love. And then Krishna personally helps us cross all difficulties. So it's very amazing verse. Now we will learn that Brahma prays for service to the lotus feet. So again, let's understand this with with an analogy. Imagine a little child who makes mistakes sometimes. Have you ever did mistake? Have you ever committed any mistake? We always do. So yes, but imagine, take your own example. If you make mistakes sometimes, maybe, child, he may fights or become angry or does naughty things. But then the child goes to the mother and says, I'm sorry, please forgive me, mother. I'm sorry, I'll not do it again. So what mother do? Mother does not reject the child. She lovingly helps the child become better. So in the same way, Lord Brahma is teaching us something very beautiful from his prayers, that even when difficulties come in life, a devotee does not leave Krishna. And instead, a devotee, he remembers Krishna with the heart, chant and praise with his words. See, please try to hear this very attentively, because next we will have an activity which will be related to this. A devotee remembers Krishna with heart, chants and praise with words, and offer obeisances with the body. And slowly, slowly, Krishna purifies devotees' heart. So, we will now do an activity. I will invite you to take out your notebooks. So, just like we saw, Lord Brahma, he prayed for the service of lotus feet of Krishna. In the same way, we will create our own prayer. So please take out your notebooks and you can write the title. Oops, give me 1 minute.
Mataji, is this sent in the group?
Yes, what? What did you ask?
Mataji, has this page been sent to the group?
No, you do. You have to take out your notebook. Any plain paper or sheet will work.
Okay, Mataji.
So take out your notebooks and you can write the title, My Own Prayer to Krishna's Lotus Feet. And we will create our own prayer for Krishna. So once you are ready, please let me know. Vrindarani, are you ready with your notebook? Okay. Harshit, are you ready with your notebook? Nitai, are you ready? Molly, are you ready? Good. Okay. So now, please write the title, My Own Prayer to Krishna's Lotus Feet. And you can see here are few prompts. You can use these prompts to start your prayer. So in your first line, you can start it like, Dear Krishna, thank you for. Now, for whatever you are grateful for, you can write that down in your notebook. So, for example, if I'm writing the prayer, I would write, Dear Krishna, thank you for always being with me even when I forget you. So, like that. I've given you an example. So, whatever you are grateful for the devotees, or maybe you're grateful you are in the session today, or maybe you are grateful for Bhakti Kids, maybe you are grateful for whatever things you are grateful for, you can write. Okay, Jagannath Priya, I see you are. Please write, okay? Okay, you have 2 minutes for this because we have lots of activities today. Okay, moving forward to our next line. So next line would be tell Krishna what you love about him. So you can, start like this. Krishna, I love that you are, or your beautiful lotus feet. I love your lotus feet, your sweet flute, and your kindness to all living beings. So
Mataji, like Krishna, you are my best friend.
yes, you can write that. So the prayer which we are creating, dear kids, we will try to say this prayer to Krishna every day. Okay, so these sessions are not that, okay, we are attending the session and then over. No, you should take something with you from these sessions. So we are creating this prayer so that you may take it with you, and every day you may say it to Krishna. When you speak to Krishna, you develop a sense of relationship with him, which is very necessary. That's why we are creating this prayer. Okay, Sindhuja, have you created your second line?
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji,
Okay,
I'm done
beautiful.
with my second one.
Beautiful. Let's move forward. Ask Krishna for help. So, yes, definitely, we always need help. We can ask, please, Krishna, help me to, you can explain that sometimes or many times my mind becomes distracted, but please help me remember you and take shelter of you in all situations. So, I'm giving examples. You write your own prayer. Ask for help from Krishna. And please remember, Krishna hears your prayers. So when you're writing it, be very selective and conscious while you're writing, because Krishna is hearing your prayers and he may manifest it. So ask for help. Hitashi, are you with us?
Hare Krishna, Mataji, yes.
Good. Okay, so once you are done we'll move ahead.
Mataji, I'm done with all 4.
Good. So, yes, fourth one is my Pada Sevanam promise. So, now you have to make a promise from Krishna. I will serve your lotus feet by. Then you may complete your prayer. So, any promise you may make. Okay, Aishani, you have completed your prayer, right? So, would you like to say it to
Yes.
us?
Okay, the first one is Dear Krishna, thank you for being everywhere and anywhere with me, giving happiness and every day and protecting me. Second one, Krishna, I love that you are always merciful, always protecting everyone. And thank you for creating this wonderful platform of ISKCON, the pathway to Goloka Vrindavan. Third one, please help me to chant well, remove the blind cover of the material world from my eyes, and give me the knowledge to see everything clearly. Fourth one, I will serve your lotus feet by praying daily, helping others, offering prasadam, being honest, and chanting your holy name. Hare Krishna.
Very nice.
Thank you.
So, yes, dear kids, the fourth line you can complete in a way that I will serve your lotus feet by chanting attentively or by being consistent in my sadhana, by being consistent in hearing or reading about you. So, serving lotus feet ultimately means serving Krishna. Lotus feet, lotus feet of Krishna means Krishna himself. So, serving lotus feet of Krishna means serving Krishna. That we do in various ways. So, Brindarani, have you completed your prayer? Please do it. Please do it, beta. Okay. Chiara, have you completed your prayer?
My name is pronounced as Kiara actually.
Kiara. Okay, thank you for connecting me. Okay. Now, okay, dear kids, if you have completed, then please keep this prayer safely with yourselves because we will try to read this prayer to Krishna every day.
Mataji,
Yes?
can we keep this prayer to the God's picture or temple?
Yes, definitely. So you should try to speak this prayer in front of Krishna, maybe in the form of photo or deity. It's very nice. Okay, perfect. Now comes the activity time. Yay! I hope you all are excited for it.
Mataji, please give me 5 minutes more.
You want 5 minutes more?
Yes, Mataji.
Oh, okay. Take your time. But we will move forward because we have many things to cover and we have less time. So it's okay. You can.
Mataji,
Yes.
I also want 5 minutes.
Yes, please continue. Okay. So, dear kids, I hope you have your worksheets ready. I'm clearing all the hands so that I may see everything. Yes, do you have your worksheets ready? Which we shared in the group?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, we will do this worksheet now.
Mataji, I don't have the worksheet.
If you don't have the worksheet, then you can complete this worksheet in your notebook. You can write the sentences, full sentences. So, dear kids, this worksheet is related to the prayers of Brahma, which we just discussed. So, please come on the first column, fill in the blanks.
Mataji,
Yes.
I have a paper.
Yes, you do. It's in the paper. Okay. Now we will, yes. Dear kids, please come to the column 1, fill in the blanks. So we will fill the blanks, and this is something about which we discussed about Lord Brahma. So let's see if you remember it. It's very easy, but still, if you want, there may be variations in it while you fill the blanks. So it's up to you. So you can raise your hand, or maybe you can unmute yourself when you answer the blanks.
Mataji, I have a question on the word puzzle. First one.
Question on?
The word puzzle. Number 5, the first one.
Yes, we will come on that later. Let's just do the first one first. Okay. So we should offer obeisances to your dash feet. It's very easy, but let's see who can answer.
Lotus feet.
Yes, lotus feet. Okay. We serve with our dash, dash, and dash.
Heart and body.
Body.
Heart,
Eyes,
mind,
Body.
Words and body.
body. Yes, good. So this is what Lord Brahma prayed from Krishna. Okay, by doing this, we become eligible for
Liberation.
Crossing the material ocean.
Mukti.
So there can be many answers for this, and I want to hear it from all of you. So yes, liberation is one.
Mukti.
So do you understand the meaning of liberation? Liberation from what?
from material world.
From the material world to Golok of Vrindavan.
Yes.
From the 4 problems of life.
Yes.
Birth, death, old age, and disease.
Good. And also from the liberation from the material desires. Do you agree these material desires is a real problem in our life? So as we serve Krishna, Krishna liberates us from all the material desires which are not necessary for our spiritual life. And basically it's a hindrance in our spiritual life. So good. Okay, now let's come on the second column. You need to match the following. So please tell me heart.
Remembering
match-
Krishna and
Loving Krishna.
Yes. Words.
Chanting, prayer, and speaking about Krishna.
Okay. Body.
Offering obeisances, serving dancing.
Okay. Good. Again, words.
Chanting, praying, speaking about Krishna.
Good. Now, come to the third column. I know it's very easy, but to make it little difficult, I will limit you with the time. So you have to color the correct picture in just 30 seconds. Let's see if you can do it. So your time starts now. I'm putting a timer in my mobile phone, and let's see who can do it in just 30 seconds.
Mataji, in what?
Third column, the correct picture. What is Pad Sevanam? So which is the right picture? Which is the correct picture?
Mataji, I know, but you have sent, we have to print out that. Beach wali.
Oh, yes. You don't have the printout?
Mataji, I have colored. I have
Okay.
So first goes to Tatwa. Good.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Mataji, I finished coloring.
Good. So, time is up now, and whoever has finished coloring it, they are the winners. Yay! Haribol, a big Haribol to all of the kids who have completed it.
But what's the first?
Now,
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
yes?
Mataji, I don't have printout.
Oh, it's okay.
Mataji, can I do later?
Yes, you can definitely do it later. Now, come to the fourth column, dear kids. Draw a picture showing how you can serve Krishna with your heart, words, and body. Write one line for each. So, first of all, let's just fill it. Just write how you can serve Krishna from your heart. And maybe you can also unmute yourself and speak how you can serve Krishna from your heart.
We can
And I
love
want-
Krishna.
Remembering and loving Krishna.
Remembering Krishna and loving Krishna.
Okay. More points if you have.
Forgetting.
For words, chant the holy name.
Mataji,
Yes.
we should pray to Krishna.
Yes. Very good. I wanted to hear it. Praying to Krishna. Good. Okay. Now let's come to the second, words. So now I want to hear many points on this.
Chanting
How you
the
can serve
holy
Krishna.
name.
Okay, chanting.
Preaching the glories of Krishna, like saying the pastimes of Krishna.
Singing bhajans.
Good.
Reading,
Kirtan.
doing kirtan.
Reading the
Good.
Bhagavad, the books.
Doing japa.
Okay, beautiful.
Saying
And also one more
saying
point,
our
guys. One more thing which I want to share.
About praying to Krishna.
Okay. Now let me speak. I want to share something with all of you. So from words, you can also try to make other people chant Hare Krishna. So this is the task of your day, not task of this day, but for the month. You can take
అంటుంది
Okay. So, task, I'm giving you a task which you can complete it throughout this month, that you make someone chant Hare Krishna. So that can be any of your friend, your neighbor, your classmate, your tuition mate, whoever. Maybe your uncle or anyone, your sibling. If they are already chanting, then okay, but you need to make someone chant who is not already chanting or who is not already familiar with Hare Krishna chanting. So, would you be doing this task, dear kids? It's very interesting, right?
Yes,
I'm
Mataji.
already doing it.
Yes, so please note this task in your notebook so that you may not forget it, because next time also I will be holding the session, and after that also I'll be holding the session. So I will catch each and every one of you. So make sure you note this task in your notebook and complete it. That you make someone chant Hare Krishna. Okay, coming to the next point, body. How you can serve Krishna with your body?
by offering obeisances,
Okay.
By cleaning the temple.
By dancing
Dancing
in
in
kirtan,
temple.
by making prasadam and distributing prasadam.
Wow.
book distribution,
By serving
Okay,
the lotus
do any one
feet.
of you cook for Krishna?
Serving prasadam and serving the lotus feet.
Good.
Mataji, we can do kirtan and do dancing with him or anyone.
And we can also offer diya to Krishna.
We can do
That way also we are
Or a
using our
plant.
body.
Hare Krishna, Mataji offered to Krishna flowers.
Mataji,
we can do parikrama.
Yes, yes.
Mataji,
Yes,
we can also do parikrama of Krishna.
Wow. You are, you are very amazing. Good. Parikrama of Krishna. Beautiful. Okay. Now, dear kids, you take it as a homework. In the next blank, the big blank you see here for the drawing, you may draw a picture of how you can serve Krishna with your heart, words, and body. And you can definitely share it to me. You might have my number. And I may also catch you in next session to see your homework. So make sure you complete your homework. Okay, now let's come to the fifth column.
Mataji,
Yes.
we can do also like we can play games of Krishna related.
Yes, we can do that. Good. Okay. Now comes word puzzle. So, dear kids, here is a correction for the first and second word. Here's a printing in these two words. So, please write it down, whatever I'm speaking. For the first one, you write D, T. I'm also sending it in chat in case you miss it. D, T, M-I-E, A-T-I-N-O. So I've also sent it in the chat. Oh, I've sent it to... Okay, I've sent it to someone in personal. I've sent it to everyone on the chat. Can you see it?
Yes, Mataji.
So, okay. So you need to unscramble it. So who will
Mataji.
unscramble it?
Mataji, I don't have the printouts. How can I do this?
It's okay. You can directly write down the answers in your notebook if you don't have the printout. Yes, Vrindarani, you're raising your hand, please. Can you unscramble this?
Devotion.
No.
Mataji, can I?
Yes, yes.
Is it meditation?
Yes, meditation. Good. Now, second word comes.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, can I?
No, second, I have to tell first because there's a misprinting in it. So please write RDR SUENRE. I'm repeating it again. RDR SUENRE. I've also sent it on the chat. So let's see who can unscramble it.
Mataji, surrender.
Molly, why are you so quiet today?
Surrender, Mataji.
Surrender.
Yes, surrender.
Surrender, Mataji.
Okay. Next, okay, now third one. Let's see who can do it from the worksheet itself.
Mataji, can I ask one thing?
Yes.
Mataji, I don't know in which time the classes start because when I tap the link in 6 p.m. it doesn't work.
Yeah, because of some network issue, class was 5 minutes late. So apologies for the same.
That's why I
But yeah,
couldn't attend the class for 2 or 3 days.
What?
And that's why I couldn't able to attend the class from 2 or 3 days.
So you will get the notification on the group, and at on specific days, classes are not happening every day. They are happening on specific days. Anyways, coming back to our topic, third word, who can unscramble it? Aishani, I saw you were very enthusiastic. Yes.
No, I was enthusiastic for the before one.
Okay.
I'm still
Third.
figuring out.
Okay, who can unscramble the third one? Hitashi? Yes.
Mataji,
What?
dog. Mataji,
Oh.
dog.
Yes. Yes, it's actually
Is it
Namas.
Mans?
No. Again, there is a misprinting. Please forgive me. I'm typing again NMASA. This is the complete word. So now
Mataji, Mataji, Namas.
Yes, Namas means? Namas means? Do you know?
Namaskar.
Yes, obeisances. Good. Now comes the next. Who can do it?
Is it revise? Revise.
Yes, service. Good. Okay, last one. Sindhuja. Yes. Yes.
Mataji,
Good.
Mataji, is it Kumti for the last one?
No, it's Mukti.
Sorry.
Okay. Yes, you all are very intelligent. Now, make sure to complete your homework, okay? We will move ahead now with our next worksheet. So, dear kids, it's about Goddess Lakshmi, Lakshmi Devi, and Ambrish Maharaj. So, you already know Lakshmi Devi constantly serves the lotus feet of Lord Krishna or Narayana. They are same. She's constantly she's always busy in serving his feet. So let's understand one beautiful point about this. You will see people in this material world, they are running after money, or let's say Goddess Lakshmi. They always want to please Goddess Lakshmi. But that Goddess Lakshmi is serving the lotus feet of Krishna, and we are serving that Supreme Personality Krishna. So, see our big fortune. So, okay, now let's start with our worksheet. First, who did what? You need to match the following. It's very easy because there are two, but still.
Constantly served and meditated.
Constantly served and meditation on the lotus feet.
Wait. Lakshmi Devi does what?
Mataji constantly served and meditated on the lotus feet.
Lord's lotus feet.
Good. And Amrish Maharaj? It's very
Fixed
easy.
his mind on
Mind on Krishna's lotus feet.
Good, good, good. Now let's come on the fill in the blanks. Lakshmi Devi finds the greatest bliss by meditating on the Lord's.
Narayana.
See, kids, if you don't have the printout, it's completely fine. And make sure you fill your worksheets. You are speaking to me, it's very nice, but make sure to also fill these worksheets. Okay.
Mataji, I feel.
Ambrish Maharaj fixed his dash on lotus.
Mind.
Yes. So from this we can know that Pada Sevanam is not only physical, is not only physically serving Krishna, but also it also means mental absorption in the lotus feet of Krishna. So even serving him with our mind. We will also do a beautiful meditation today at last. So be ready. Okay. Pad Sevanam brings us dash happiness. Now I wish to hear different points for this.
Eternal, Mataji. Eternal.
Okay, eternal.
Most happiness.
Molly?
Mataji Padasevanam bring us our soul happiness.
Okay, good.
Mataji, spiritual happiness.
Spiritual happiness. Okay.
Mataji, the
Greatest happiness.
Okay, greatest happiness. Anything else?
happiness.
What?
Krishna happiness.
Permanent happiness. Yes, good. 1 point can be.
Krishna happiness.
1 point can be real happiness. So, real happiness is which never fades. It's permanent. So, good, everyone. Now comes to the third. Let's come to the third point. What gives real spiritual happiness? Color the lotus. So, again, you have only 30 seconds for it. You have to color the right lotus which brings real spiritual happiness. So I'm starting the timer now. Let's see who can do it. Your time starts now.
Mataji done.
Mataji done.
Okay, good. Can you speak? What lotus feet are
Chanting
correct?
Hare Krishna, hearing Krishna Katha, and remembering Krishna's lotus feet.
Good. So, okay. 10 seconds more. Please do it. Molly, are you done?
No, I don't have the printouts.
Oh, you should always take printouts because we share printouts so that you may take it out. We always share it in advance. Make sure to always take out printouts from next
Hare
time.
Krishna Mataji, I finished coloring.
Good.
Mataji,
Yes.
I don't have color printer.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, dear kids, very good. You all are becoming very fast. Now we will move forward to the fourth column. Ambrish Maharaj was always thinking of Krishna's lotus feet. Draw or write what your mind thinks about most. Now, of course, that the answer should be related to Krishna consciousness. So write something, or maybe you can draw, and I will give you 3 minutes for this. I've started the timer.
Mataji, what we have to do in fourth part?
So, see, Ambrish Maharaj was always thinking about Krishna's lotus feet. What your mind thinks about Krishna. So that can be anything. If I give you example, that maybe your mind think about, oh, I will relish nice prasadam, Krishna prasadam, or maybe you might think about chanting. Oh, I will wake up early in the morning in Brahma Muhurta and I will chant Krishna's holy names. So like that. So I've given you a few examples. Now you have to see what your mind thinks related to Krishna. So yes, you have 2 more minutes for it. See, I am limiting you in time because these questions are very easy. So if we limit these activities in time, then it becomes little exciting.
Mataji, I finished writing.
What? Once you wish to say something?
I finished writing the fourth part.
Okay, please speak. Speak it out. Okay, Shriara is saying Krishna
To
Prasadam.
serve my deities.
To serve deities. Wow. What deities you have?
Laddu Gopal, Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadramai, and Gaur Nitai.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Mataji,
Yes.
can I draw a picture about of Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Maharani ji? Because they're my favorite.
Yes, you can draw it as your homework because right now you're left with just 1 minute. Chanting my rounds. Good, Shriara, good. Sindhuja, are you done?
Mataji, my name is actually pronounced as Kiara.
Kiara. Okay, Kiara.
Yes.
It's okay. You can understand that I am calling you Kiara. Okay. Yes, Sindhuja, are you done?
No, Mataji.
Please do it. Molly, are you done?
Mataji, I'm done.
Good. So
Yes,
whoever
Mataji.
is done, they can, speak out loud whatever their mind thinks about most.
About Krishna's
Mataji.
musical flute.
Okay, beautiful. Molly, you wish to say something?
Yes, Mataji, completing my rounds. My chanting rounds.
Mataji,
Hmm?
Recently, I got this book, and now I'm thinking of the paintings in this book a lot.
Oh, beautiful, Kiara. Beautiful. So you see, these questions are very meditative. It encourage you to think about Krishna. I really like such questions. Also, whoever's videos are off, my apologies. I'm not able to, because I'm not able to see you, so I'm not able to interact with you. So make sure you keep your videos on. Yes. Okay, now comes the fifth column. It's very easy. How can we practice Pada Sevanam every day? So you have to tick which you already follow. I'm sorry, there are no lights, but I hope you can hear me. So you have to tick on what you already follow. So you can, speak. The fifth column. So there are chanting Hare Krishna, praying with love, reading Bhagavatam, helping
Mataji, I
devotees.
do all.
Good. Okay, others? So you have to be honest here. Whatever you practice, even if you are practicing one, that's also beautiful. It's glorious.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Mataji, can I tell?
Yes, yes.
Mataji, I promise to serve Krishna's lotus feet by always speaking the truth and treating every living being with kindness and respect.
Oh, we are on fifth column right now, but it's good you did the sixth one as well. So fifth one is how can we practice Pada Sevanam every day? So you can see there are five uh, images. So what you all practice, you are already practicing, you can tell that.
Mataji,
Yes.
I like to practice by chanting and doing arati, and by doing my DT Shringar, and by cooking for Krishna sometimes, and serving Krishna's devotees, and reading Krishna's Leelas and books, and joining these classes.
Okay, good. Very nice, kids.
Mataji,
Yes.
how do we can we make our account at our GC? Cause I'm not in the account.
I'm sorry, I don't understand what you said.
How do we make ourselves in the GC of Bhakti Kids?
GC? What is
Mataji,
Yes.
Chat.
what we will do now?
Yes. So we will move to the sixth part now. The promise we need to make. Write one promise you want to make to serve Krishna's lotus feet. So, yes, please write it down. And if you have question related to what we are discussing right now, then I will appreciate that. And if you have other questions, so definitely we can discuss those once we complete our session.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Mataji, I already write.
Okay, please, can you speak it out loud?
Mataji, can I tell?
Yes.
Mataji, I promise to serve Krishna's lotus feet by always speaking the truth and treating every living being with kindness and respect.
Good. Aishani, would you like to share your prayer, your promise?
Yes, my promise is what I also do already. I always serve prasadam to the lotus feet. I always do kirtan. Play kartal, sometimes sing, play keyboard, and also I always be honest.
Okay, now, Manya, would you like to share?
Yes, Mataji. Actually, I will serve Krishna's lotus feet by chanting and trying my best to serve Krishna.
Vansidhar?
By serving devotees.
Good. So, yes, serving devotees is the very amazing way to progress with a great speed in our spiritual life. Can you hear me?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, I'm sorry, there was network issue, heavy rainfall is happening here. Anyways, we will continue from where we left. I hope you can see my screen. Okay, now comes the story time. So, dear kids, we will discuss a beautiful story of Pad Sevanam. Let's see. Many of you might already be familiar with this story, but because this is something which is linked to our today's topic, that's why we will discuss it. A beautiful pastime of Pad Sevanam. So, let's see. So, dear kids, when Lord Rama was sent to the forest for 14 years, his younger brother, can you guess which younger brother?
Lakshmana.
Okay. More? Do you remember more names of Lord
Bharata.
Rama's brother?
Bharat.
Yes, Bharat. So his younger brother Bharat was not in Ayodhya during that time. But when Bharat returned and heard everything, he became shocked and heartbroken. Is my voice audible nicely or is it
Yes,
less?
Mataji.
Nice, okay, good.
Mataji, your voice is very low.
Is it low for everyone? Vrindarani, is it good for you? Okay. So, dear kids, when Bharat returned and heard everything, he became shocked and heartbroken. What? My dear brother Rama
Excuse me,
has gone to
Mataji,
the
your voice
forest?
is very low.
Molly, is it low?
Maybe not for me.
What?
Not for me. Your voice is clear for me.
Okay, then, you have to check it at your side if it's low from your side. Anyways, so yes, Bharat was surprised. He was shocked that what? My dear brother Rama has gone to the forest and father has left the world. Do you know the name of the father of the brothers? Yes, Vrindarani?
That. Dashrath.
Dashrath.
Yes, because Lord Rama left the world. His father was very upset. So because of that reason, he left the world. So Bharat, he began to cry. He began crying loudly. And he immediately understood that I do not want the kingdom. Ayodhya belongs only to Lord Rama. So you know what Bharat did?
Mataji, he go to the Vala to beat Rama.
Yes. So along with many citizens, he went to the forest to bring Lord Rama back. And now, when Bharat finally saw Lord Rama, he ran toward him and fell at his lotus feet. He said, Prabhu, please come back to Ayodhya. The kingdom is yours alone. Please come back. But Lord Rama, he gently replied that, oh dear Bharat, our father gave this instruction to me. I must stay in the forest for 14 years. I can't go back. And Bharat, with his folded hands with tears in his eyes, he said, then how can I rule Ayodhya while you live in the forest? This is not possible. Then, Bharat, he had a wonderful idea. He said softly that if you will not return, then please give me your sandals. He asked for the sandals of Lord Rama. And Lord Rama, he smiled lovingly. Bharat carefully placed Lord Rama's wooden sandal on his head with great respect. And then he said that these sandals are not ordinary. They represent Lord Rama himself. So, dear kids, whatever we see related to Krishna or Lord Rama, who is Krishna himself, it is non-different from him. So, can you give me some examples of it? Relation to Krishna, what you see in relation to Krishna, which is non-different from him. So, you might have heard many times that holy names of Krishna are non-different from Krishna. Isn't it, Shri? You heard it? You are mute.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So same way, the glories of Krishna are non-different from Krishna. Whatever deity worship we do, so whatever paraphernalia we have, it's non-different from Krishna.
Mataji, I have a question.
Yes.
Uh, Lord Rama went for 14 years.
Yes.
Mataji, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Lord Rama went for 14 years.
Yes. So, during how many years did his father Dashrath passed?
So I don't exactly know the numbers, but he left his body during that year only. During that year, the moment Lord Rama left Ayodhya.
Oh,
It was not like very long time. During that year only he left.
oh. Okay. Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, so we were on the examples of what things we can see which are non-different from Krishna. So the fame of Krishna, the name of Krishna, the paraphernalia of Krishna, and the prasadam that we consume, it's also non-different from Krishna. And you know what, how we can understand it? These things are non-different from Krishna himself. That's why it purifies our consciousness greatly. Because these things are non-different from Krishna. It's Krishna himself. So I hope you are with me.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
So yes, he took the sandals of Lord Rama on his head, and they represent Lord Rama himself. Now, back in Ayodhya, Bharat placed the sandals on the royal throne. Every day he would bow before them and rule only as Rama's servant. He never assumed himself a king. He was only ruling as Lord Rama's servant. He never sat proudly on the throne. He always uh, placed the sandals of Lord Rama on the throne. And instead, he prayed that I'm only care for this kingdom until my Lord returns. Because this kingdom ultimately belongs to Lord Rama, my brother. So I'm just caring for this kingdom until my Lord returns. So in this way, dear kids, it's very beautiful story, isn't it? Which represents Pad Sevanam very beautifully. So in this way, Bharat showed Pad Sevanam, service to the lotus feet of the Lord. So yes, I hope you like the story.
Yes,
Now
Mataji.
comes our craft time. Yay! So I hope you are ready with your printouts. Molly, don't tell me you are not ready with your printout. This is not
Mataji,
good.
I don't have printout.
You have the printout, Hitashi?
No, Mataji.
Oh. So
Mataji,
see,
I
if you
do
will not
later.
arrange for the printouts, then how will you participate in these activities? It's very
Mataji, I
difficult.
do later.
What?
I do later.
Okay, then good. But it's very difficult to draw these characters. It's very difficult. So make sure you always arrange for the printouts before the session. Okay. Now, whoever has the printouts, they can,
Mataji, can I do it later?
yes, whoever do not have printouts, they can do it later. Maybe you can do your homework meanwhile during this time. Okay. So see, you need to color these pictures. So just do it, start coloring it. And after that, you need to cut these columns. And on a blank sheet, you need to paste it in sequence. So that will make a beautiful pathway to Krishna's lotus feet. So please begin with coloring these characters, and we can do it for 20 minutes. Then after that, we may move on to our quiz. And quiz would be very interesting. So Shri, you have your printout?
Mataji, your voice is low.
What?
Your voice is low.
My voice is low. Is it good now? Okay, I'll keep this mic in my hand. I hope it's good now.
Yes, Mataji.
Good. So I was
Yes,
saying that first of all, you need to color these characters. Then after that, you need to cut these columns. And then you need to paste it in a sequence on a sheet. And that will make a beautiful pathway to Krishna's lotus feet. Oh, it became a poem. Anyways, Shri, you have your printout? Okay, she's freezed. Vrindarani, you have your printout?
I'm getting it.
Okay.
No, Mataji, I forgot. Sorry.
Vansidhar, you have your printout ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Start coloring it. We have 20 minutes for our craft activity. And meanwhile, instead of sitting idle, you can do your homework. The homework which we discussed. Let me tell you what we were about to do in our homework. Yes, this one. Draw a picture showing how you can serve Krishna with heart, words, and body. So, who do not have their printouts ready, they may do this homework. And I will definitely check these homeworks in your maybe next session, or if you are honest about your homeworks, then you can also send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay.
Mataji,
Okay,
which
Mataji.
What?
Where shall we send that
I will
that homework?
share my number on the group. If you don't have it, it's okay. But make sure you do your homework. Okay.
Thank you, Mataji. Okay, Mataji.
So those of you who have joined again, we are doing our craft activity. So if you have your printouts ready, you can color the characters. So okay, meanwhile, let's discuss. Lakshmi Devi lovingly massages the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu or Krishna. We already discussed it today. So this is most intimating service where she is directly serving or massaging the lotus feet of Krishna or Vishnu. Bharat accepted Lord Rama's sandals and ruled Ayodhya as Rama's servant. We just discussed it through a story. And these are in the sequence in a way which defines the intimacy of devotees serving the lotus feet of Krishna.
Excuse me, Mataji.
Yes?
Mataji, your voice is not coming.
Is it coming now?
Yes, now is coming.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, I have to repeat it again. So, Lakshmi Devi, she lovingly massages the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu, and she serves Lord very intimately because she is directly serving the lotus feet of the Lord. And yes, second comes the Bharat, who accepted Lord Rama's sandals and ruled Ayodhya as Rama's servant. So again, this is another intimate serving. Okay, let's use some things. Okay. Then third comes Ambrish Maharaj. We also discussed about him, that how he always fixed his mind on Krishna's lotus feet. So these services, these are in a sequence, in a way which depicts the intimacy of devotees while serving the lotus feet of Krishna. Then comes the gopis. They always care for Krishna's soft feet as he walks in the forest. So, they are always worried about Krishna, that, oh, Krishna, he always walks barefooted. So, his feet might get hurt. So they always care for his soft feet. So, yes, this is another way. Then comes Bali Maharaj. It's very interesting. No, not Bali Maharaj. Akrura. Next come Akrura. Akrura, if you know the story, he saw Krishna's footprints in the dust. He was going to Vrindavan from Mathura to receive Krishna. Basically, he wanted to see Krishna. And when he saw the footprints of Krishna's lotus feet on the mud, on the dust, then he became ecstatic while seeing the footprints of Krishna's lotus feet, and he started rolling on the ground with joy, in ecstasy. So, everything related to Krishna gives real joy, real happiness. Bali Maharaj, he offered everything to Krishna, even himself, at the Lord's lotus feet. And you should know, Lord Vaman Dev, he put his lotus foot on the head of Bali Maharaj. So it's very amazing. Okay, dear kids. Now, whoever is coloring, keep coloring it. Next comes, how will I do Pad Sevanam? I will serve Krishna's lotus feet by. So you might be thinking that, oh, this question is repeating again and again. So yes, the intention behind is to engage in Krishna's service more and more throughout the day. So do not repeat the answer for this question. You can write something else, that how you can serve Krishna's lotus feet. So I hope whoever does not have the printouts, they can at least do this right now. And please make sure to do your craft activity at your home as homework. Okay. So, Vanshidhar, how much have you colored?
Till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, 5. Good, good, good. Do the last one as well. And then, okay, I can also show you the reference if you want to see.
Thank you, Mataji.
Maybe you can, others can take screenshot and you can copy how to color. See how beautiful it's looking. So you can take screenshots and color at your home. Oops.
Mataji, can we color from that picture that is given on the group?
Yes, definitely you
Mataji.
can. Yes, definitely you can.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, now we will move forward to our quiz. Yay! I really love quizzes, and I hope you also love quizzes. And this time we will give chance to the most quiet students in the class, like Molly. I don't know why she's so quiet today, but anyways, let's see. So we are starting with the very simple questions, and gradually we will increase. Uh, gradually we will reach to the tough questions. So let's see. Who constantly serves the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu? Very easy. But
Mata
let's see.
Lakshmi Devi.
Yes. Lakshmi Devi. Okay, good.
Mata Lakshmi.
Next, Which king fixed his mind on lotus feet of Krishna?
Ambrish Maharaj.
Amrish Maharaj. So see, these questions are open to everyone. You can unmute yourself and you can speak if you know the answer. And who are not unmuting themselves, I will assume they do not know the answer. So it's up to you now. Okay. Who worshipped Lord Rama's sandals while ruling Ayodhya?
Bharata.
Bharata.
Bharat.
Bharat.
Yes. Okay. According to Brahma's prayer, with which three things should we offer obeisances to Krishna? Let's see who remember this.
Mind, body, and heart.
Mind, body, and words.
Heart, mind,
Words.
body.
Good. Okay. What became as small as calf's hoof print for those who take shelter of Krishna's lotus feet?
Material. Material world.
Material ocean or yes, material ocean or material world. Good. Which personality showed Pada Sevanam by offering everything, including himself, to the Lord?
Bali Maharaj.
Bali Maharaj.
Yes, Bali Maharaj.
Bali
So
Maharaj.
we also have to become like Bali Maharaj, that we offer everything to Krishna, including ourselves to him, because ultimately we belongs to him. So it's very interesting. And whatever activities, whatever devotional practices we practice on the daily basis, this will gradually make us eligible to offer everything, including ourselves, to Krishna. And beautifully, during the time when we are engaged in Krishna's service, at least at that time, we have given ourselves to Krishna. So it's beautiful. Okay, now tricky MCQ round. Let's see. Which personality is the most direct example of physical Pada Sevanam? Let's see who can answer.
Lakshmi Devi.
Why Lakshmi Devi? Why Lakshmi Devi?
Because she always serves Lord Vishnu's feet.
Because
Okay.
he massages
Yes, so she is directly engaged in the service of the lotus feet. But please understand, dear kids, that other devotees, however they are serving the lotus feet of Krishna, they are not less. Okay, so don't misunderstand it in that way. Okay, in Brahma's prayer, which combination is correct?
B.
Heart, what? Body.
option B.
Yes, option B. Good.
B.
So, some questions are repeating so that we may just learn those questions and answers nicely. And we may also practice that practically in our lives. Okay. Which devotee's mood is best described as loving concern for Krishna's
The
service?
gopis.
The gopis.
Gopis.
Oh,
Gopis.
good. You're hearing nicely. Okay. Next comes. So, I will not be able to see the chat. Please speak if you can. Akrura showed Pad Sevanam when he. Which option?
And glorifies.
B.
Glorified.
Answer B.
B.
Answer B.
B.
B option.
Yes. Now, if a devotee remembers Krishna's lotus feet throughout the day but is unable to physically visit a temple, which example from today's class
Ambrish
best
Maharaj.
describes?
Ambrish Maharaj.
Amrish Maharaj.
You all are very wise. Good. Now, the hardest one. This is the one and the hardest. Which statement best summarizes Pada Sevanam?
Serving, remembering, glorifying, and taking shelter of the Lord lotus feet with the
Answer
one.
C.
Answer
Option
C.
Why not A?
Because also there's also many other things than just touching the Lord's feet.
Yes. So
So
sometimes,
that's it.
it's not always possible for us that we touch the lotus feet of Krishna. Suppose if we have not taken a bath, then at that time we cannot touch the lotus feet of Krishna. But we can always remember him, we can always glorifying him in any situation, in any condition. So that's why C summarizes Pada Sevanam in the best way. Good. So, although these questions I tried to make it in a trickier way or hard way, but it was not hard for you because you heard the class nicely. Very nice. I'm very proud of you. Now,
Thank you,
dear
Mataji.
kids, comes our last activity of the day, and I will invite you to please sit in a quiet place with your eyes closed. We will try to do a 2-minute meditation. So I'm watching everyone, especially those who have put their videos on. So sit in a quiet place with your eyes closed. Okay. Now, with your eyes closed, just imagine the beautiful lotus feet of Krishna. So that can be the lotus feet of Lord Shama Sundar, Radha Madhav, Gaura Nitai, Panch Tattva, Krishna Balaram, any of your favorite deities. Just try to. Can you see lotus feet in your mind of the Lord? Now imagine if Krishna's footprints suddenly appeared outside your house, like Akrura saw in Vrindavan. What would you do first and why? So you don't have to tell it. Whatever you will do, just try to do it in your mind at the lotus feet of Krishna. Whatever you would do when you will see the lotus feet of Krishna appearing outside your house like Akrura saw. So try to do it in your mind. To the lotus feet of Krishna. Maybe you can pay your obeisances to him. Maybe you can offer beautiful fragrant flowers at the lotus feet of Krishna. Try to meditate in your mind, dear kids, that you're offering beautiful fragrant flowers at the lotus feet of Krishna. Maybe you are touching your head at the lotus feet of Krishna. Maybe you are decorating beautiful lotus feet of Krishna with beautiful ornaments like ankles or toe ring. Wow. Beautiful. Maybe you can pray to Krishna that may I always remember your beautiful lotus feet in my mind, Krishna. Now you can gently open your eyes, dear kids. And I would like to hear your experience, how you all felt.
Mataji, the feeling is amazing. While I was reflecting the scene, it was amazing feeling. I
Beautiful.
got tears in
Mataji,
my eyes, by
the
the way.
feeling was like dreamy. He was like dreamy.
It was feeling very amazing. It's like Mataji, I also feeling very amazing to see Krishna. Hari Bol. I'm happy to see Krishna. Very nice.
Yes. Were you able to offer flowers to Krishna's lotus feet in your mind?
Yes, Mataji,
Which
it was
flower?
nice.
Can you name which flower were you able to offer Krishna at Krishna?
Lotus.
Mataji.
Lotus and Champa. Rose.
Rose
Champa. Rose and Champa.
Wow. Were you able
Lotus
to touch
flower.
your head to the lotus
Yes,
feet of
yes,
Krishna?
Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Dear kids, Srila Prabhupada tells that we are where our consciousness is. So when we meditate on the lotus feet of Krishna in our mind, we touch our head, we offer flowers to his lotus feet, and whatever we did, we really did it. It's not just imagination. Always remember, everything related to Krishna is non different from him. So it was very amazing. You did whatever you did, it was amazing. And you can see in your heart, you might be feeling very happy and very joyful while doing it. So it's very beautiful.
Mataji, can I show my altar?
Yes, please. Wow, it looks very beautiful. Make sure to put your prayer in your altar and you can say your prayer every day. Dear kids, this instruction is for everyone, not only for Vansidhar. Please say your prayer to Krishna. If you have
Mataji, is this
DPs or
success?
photos, you can say your prayer to him. It's always nice.
Mataji,
Okay,
can
dear
I
kids, with
also
this, we will.
alter?
What?
Mataji, can I also show my altar?
Okay, please. Kiara, did you did
Mataji.
meditation with us? Oh, you were late. Anyways,
Mataji, I actually did this in Sadhu Sangha.
okay, beautiful. Krishna doll, nice.
Like, I made the pagadi there by myself.
Beautiful. Okay, beautiful Hitashi. I can see your Jagannath Baldev Subhadra. Very nice. Okay, dear kids, with this we will stop here. Thank you so much for your time and association and hoping to see you in the next session. And whoever missed the rest of the part of the session, please do watch the recording. You will really relish it. Okay, with this we will stop here. Thank you so much for your time. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna,
Mataji.
Mataji.
If
Danvat
you want
Pranam.
to share some, we have 2 minutes. If you want to share something, then you can.
Mataji, so I have a question. Apart from serving the devotees of Krishna, what is the other highest service we can do?
Related to Krishna is highest, is it's glorious. But devotees, because Krishna, he loves devotees, because devotees are always engaged in the service of Krishna. So if we please devotees, then it is pleasing to Krishna. So, you can serve devotees by making them happy. You can help them in serving, in services, different services. You can see what, you can ask them that how can I serve you. So, they can give you some service. And if you do it so nicely, then that way you can please devotees. So, yes, I hope I gave your answer that anything we do related to Krishna, it's glorious. Chanting about Krishna, chanting the names of Krishna, holy names, glorifying him. You can prioritize your chanting, that you chant his holy names very attentively, just like whatever we followed today. Were you able to chant with us today, Chiara? So that way you can try to chant, that you try to hear Mahamantra attentively, and yeah, you consciously chant that Krishna is hearing your Mahamantra, whatever you're chanting. So it's always nice. Okay, and
Hare Krishna Mataji, but what if we live like far away from ISKCON? How can we serve devotees?
I can't hear you nicely. Can you be a little
Hare
loud?
Krishna Mataji, I'm saying that if we don't live near ISKCON, how can we serve devotees?
So you can serve devotees when you visit devotees, or maybe you can also serve them online. Just like right now you attended this session, you put your video on. So this is also a service because you are encouraging other kids that they also participate nicely. So you can see different ways to serve devotees. And Yeah, if you do not visit temple, then whenever you meet devotees, you can serve them in that way.
Okay, Mataji,
Okay,
thank
kids.
you.
Mataji, can I show my altar?
Okay, you can show your altar, then we will stop, okay? Because
Okay.
our time is up now. And make sure to come next time. And especially Molly, I will ask you first if you're ready with your printout. So make sure you get your printouts ready.
All right, Mataji.
Okay, beautiful Vrindarani, beautiful
I
girl.
actually also have a Lakshmi Narasimha if you see closely.
Mataji, there are two
Mataji, can I?
Lords.
Mataji, can I show my altar?
Okay, you can also show, but if this is last, then we will stop, okay? Please go ahead.
Mataji.
Okay, now, I may mute.
Mataji, you are muted.
Mataji, you are muted.
Mataji, you are mute.
Mataji, you are muted.
Oh, Krishna. Okay, so I was saying that you have a very beautiful altar, Vedanta Krishna. And yes, I was saying make sure to put your prayers in your altar so that you may not forget saying your prayers to Krishna. Okay? In next session, I would definitely ask if you were able to practice whatever we learned today in our session. Now, with this, we will stop here. So, please accept my humble obeisances. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhu vacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo nama.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Bye
Krishna,
bye. See you.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Mataji, Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Ah.